Hey guys, welcome to our garden. Today we're going to take some cuttings. We're going to show you to take cuttings off an Abutilon. This is a flowering maple, kind of a subtropical evergreen type tree. This one branch broke off in the snow. So we're going to take some cuttings from it. I'm using a #2 rooting hormone, and we're going to start with taking the tips of the branches here, and hopefully they root. I think I did actually try some in the garden and just stuck them in the ground and they rooted. So what I'm going to do is take off some of the leaves, and then I'm going to cut some of the leaves in half like this, and I'll cut this one off a little bit too, this big one, and then we're going to scrape it a little bit. If you can see that, just run the velcros along the edge here and just kind of take off some of that bark. And the growing medium I'm using here is actually a Sunshine Mix 4. And then what we're going to do, we're going to dip it in this rooting hormone. I know a better practice is not to dip it in the rooting hormone, is to put some of this on the paper so you don't infect that, but I really don't care. And then we're going to push it into the Sunshine Mix 4 like that. So anyway, I'll give you a better example here and a closer close-up of it. Let's just see. That actually looks like it's actually sprouting. So let's take this end off of here. Take that off and that off, and we'll pull that one off, and we'll take that one off, and we'll cut that off, and we'll cut that one off, leave some of the leaves on them, and then we'll scrape it a bit, if you can see that. Anyway, it's the second week of February, and we'll see if this works. It should. Like I say, I think I have stuck some of these in Wendy's planters before, and they actually grew without the rooting hormone. So then we'll put that rooting hormone in there, the #2, something like that. And this is a plant we've had in the ground for 20 years now, over 20 years. Put that in there, and I'll grab you the camera, and we'll show you what she looks like, okay? Close up before my battery, for the camera chip runs out. So just like that. Okay, so they're in here, and I'm going to mark them. And like you say, I'm taking the ends off. The rest of this I'm going to put back in water. Got some water in that old wash sink there, and we'll see if this actually will root out. So like I say, this is a top of an Abutilon tree that broke off, a flowering maple, really beautiful tree with awesome flowers on it. So stay tuned for update on these cuttings, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they will root. Like I say, it's the second week of February right now here on Salt Spring Island, and only time will tell. All right, so stay tuned for an update. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck if you're going to try this on your own. Cheers.